encourage the kids to say hello to someone. Say hi to that popular kid that you're maybe too nervous to say hello to, and you'd be surprised. It'll put a smile on their face and you'll feel good about yourself, they'll feel good about themselves, and then you kind of can do whatever you want to do. It's really about, it just starts with a simple hello.
I just want them to pay attention in school, because that's key, because your parents tell you one thing, teachers tell you the same thing, and that's my message. Just make sure they try to pay attention, work as hard as they can, and eventually they can get to where they want to go.
Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.